Maglaro ka na.
Okay guys, hello, this is RG Boy and we're playing Roblox today, so we're going to play wait, what is that again? Wait. Where is my Plants vs Brain Rots? You join! Bro, join! Bro, my brother's gonna join me and yo, can you find my... I cannot find dude. Bro, search.
Yes.
Wait. Oh, there we go. Okay. And I'm gonna show few my brain rots. I'm gonna know about this game, but my brother have joined me and give me a lot of brain rots. Only how much? I don't know. There we go. So these are my brain rots. Yeah, I want 6-7. Yeah, I want 6-7. Give me. So I'm talking to my brother, guys, so I can get a lot of views on my video. Yeah, I'm deleting my Mira. Sa cellphone to.
Tayo friend din eh. Diyan, tara ba tayo dyan?
O, friend tayo ba? Saan ka? Ito!
Diyan pa lang.
Tapos sa'yo. Oh my God! Where's you?
Sorry lang ulit ako.
Huh?
Sabi ka.
Ayun na! Hindi mo makita ang profile ko. Diyan ka dito. Saan ka? Saan? Saan ka? Oh, I found you. I'm going to your base. So guys, I'm going to my brother's base. It's literally so crazy. Can you give me plants? Boy, may ano ka? Boy, may... Uy, ayun, gusto ko 6-7. Hindi, ano? Screen recorder to pang maggagawa ng video.
Saan nyo lang?
Hihingi ka sa kalaban, di ka naman maririnig.
Hindi, si ano yun eh, si Kuya RG2 eh. Bigyan mo sa akin.
Dapat daw. Dami akong ganyan. Ganyan.
Nagbablog ka?
Oo, nagbablog. Bigay mo ako.
Okay.
Ayun, nabigay mo sa akin yung diamond. Gaya na lang, yeah. Yeah! So guys, I'm gonna get my, where is it? I cannot. Oh, wait.
Search.
Okay. 6-7.
Stop.
I got 6-7! Let's go! It's my base, guys. I'm going to move this. Yeah. What is this? Banana gun? What is this go? Pew! Pew! Banana gun. I'm kind of noob at this game. Look at my plants, guys. I'm so noob, but I got the biggest pumpkin of all. I got a strawberry elephant. What is this one called, dude? Yo, where is it called? Mag-dragon na ako eh. Ayun oh. Uy, bigyan mo ako ng plants. Please. Wala akong plants. Kahit anong plants. Meron kang Mr. Carrot.
Ito na lang dito.
Ay, no, wait. Giant carrot. Ano yun? Content seed na lang, Content seed na lang. Ako nagpa-vlog, boy. Hindi ikaw. Ano ka? Vlogger ka ba? Yeah, that's... Wait. No, give me the content seed.
Dapat ko saan.
Yo, give me the content seed, bro. Give me the content seed.
Friends lang.
Content. Yeah. No, the content seed.
Wala.
No,
Ito na lang.
This. I want this.
Coconut.
Yes. Give me. I said give me.
Ito ayaw ko
I
yun.
said give
Ayaw
me.
ko yun.
Bro, not that one. I want the seed one. Bro, I want the seed.
Lola ka to eh.
Bro, you pick your character.
Oo na ko na. Hindi na bibigay yung seed. Bawal.
Ah, pwede.
Bawal.
Pwede. Try mo. Yung content. Yan.
Oo, bawal. Kailangan ko ito na. Ito na lang.
G. What am I gonna do with this? I got it. What is this? Oh, yeah.
Tanim mo na.
Walang matanim. Try lang din. Seed.
Ito.
Huh? Seed. You can put Yo, give me a... What do you have plants? What do you have plants?
Oh, big. Malaki pa.
G.
Ay, ano to?
Ano naglulo?
Naglalag.
Wait. Tama. na! I'm sorry guys, I'm just talking to my brother. I know plants. Seeds lang. Plants! Hindi, brain rocks.
Ito na lang sa malaki. Ay, laki.
Ano yan?
Sobrang laki.
Gigi. Saan ka? Saan ka?
Ito sa ito.
Putulok. Bumbum gini naman yun eh. I don't like mythics but I want it. Give me. I say give me. Oh wait, my inventory is so full. Listen. Okay. Sell all my brain. Give me that.
Ito na lang.
I got Bumbini Guzini. My Bumbini. Malaki. Malapit lang ang mas malaki kay kay...
Ito pa, malaki pa. Ito malaki pa.
Hindi, gusto ko word. Ayan. Ang laki. Kaya pala, the brain rot na kasi my brother's all. Yo, can I have 2 more brain rots? I have 2 more spots. Yo. Why is my game lagging? I don't want that. Yo. Okay. I'm gonna show this to my curse. Naglalag nga din ako yun eh. Tingin ko dalawa pa. Tingin ko ng ano nga tawag doon, ano nga yun? Ano yung ibang brain rots mo na maganda? Anong magandang brain rots mo? Balik ko ng mga pera ko. Trip! Ano yung pera mo?
Ha?
Ano na pera mo dito?
2 billion.
3.2 billion.
Ito sa akin ba ang pera?
Hello guys, my brother just joined me again. So